Hi guys! 8:38 PM na. Iwaw feng shui na. Brethren, family, and friends, pong pinagpalang gabi sa inyong lahat. Ang inyong pong lingkod, Brother Norman Cruz, ang inyong pong feng shui, Pachi, Chimen, Yijing, and date selection consultant. So, kumusta po kayo? It's a Saturday, and tomorrow, of course, it's a Sunday. Our obligation po, don't forget. So, at least Sunday, well, yeah, chill, relax. At least it's still important to know in advance kung anong pwedeng gawin at hindi pwedeng gawin. At least ma-tailor fit natin. And again, pag hindi po advisable or hindi suited, we know what to do. Pag suited naman po with 10x po para po makuha pa rin natin yung ating pong outcome that we would want. And getting what we want, BFF, makes us happy. By the way po, salamat po kay Sir Ross and Ma'am Ning. Thank you so much for the warm welcome, for the pansit, Ma'am Palabok, Ma'am for the chocolate po. Sarap Ma'am, thank you. And for the durian Ma'am na tinake out niyo po. Thank you so much Ma'am. Sir Ross, thank you and see you again. Like I've mentioned after my convention and conference po in Kuala Lumpur, kayo pong unang-una ko pong bibisitahin after that. Okay Ma'am? Ma'am Ning, Sir Ross, thank you so much again. See you on November. Okay, BFF, tomorrow is called the Earth, September 22, Sunday. It's called the Earth Ox Enters the Stable Officer Day. Oh, Sunday. Tingnan nga natin kung anong meron sa Sunday. Oh, just to be sure. Ayan. Sabi rito, suitable for all activities. Ayan. Hi to Ma'am Enap Reyes. Hi, magandang gabi Ma'am. Ma'am, taga saan po kayo? Ma'am Enap. At least, madam, we would know where... Ma'am, basta kahit general terms, ma'am, if you are in NCR, where, saan po sa NCR, just to let us know kung taga-saan po kayo. So, Ma'am Enap, tomorrow, BFF, suitable for everything. Hi to Maring Seni, all the way from Pasig, siyempre po naman. Hi to Kuya Benson, all the way from Cotabato. Yeah, magandang gabi. Hi to Ma'am Ria, good evening po. Yes, good evening. So, tomorrow po, do everything. Okay po ako. Ox, kayo po yung nabanggit ko, nagtanong po before. So, Ma'am Ox ngayon is number 2 best. So, just be careful with scam. Yan whether on-site tao or online scam, Ma'am Ria, be careful with that. After all, Ma'am, number 2 best ka po financially, so be careful po. Baka po madaya, careful. Bangbang. Yes, Ma'am Enap, Bangbang. Opo. Yeah, hi Ma'am. Thanks for watching, Ma'am Enap, Bangbang. Okay. Thank you so much. So, okay, BFF, ano bang okay tomorrow na animal signs? Ayan. Ma'am, rat and ox, very good. Tiger, not so good. Rabbit, not so good. Dragon, average. Snake, very good. Horse and goat, not so good. Monkey, average. Rooster, very good. Dog, not so good. And pig, not so good. Oh, yan Ma'am. Now we know. So, tomorrow, everything that we do, gusto nating i-10x and we get what we want. Siyempre po naman. Kasi nga po, nalulungkot tayo because we don't get what we want. So, eto po. This sharing is designed for you to get what you want. You start within yourself na kaya mong control. Of course, sarili mo yan. And then you tune, you align with the universal energy. You pray for it. You push it until something happens and you get what you want. Ito po gagawin natin. You don't have to buy anything po. Wala akong binebenta po. Tingnan natin. Paano gagawin? Okay. 22. Daily Chimen. Okay, if you want the game changer and if you want to create opportunity sa likod sa southeast, health is wealth. Nandito man po ipagpe-pray more overseas, talikod sa south, Ito po yun. Health is wealth. Anything to do with finances, resources, tomorrow, talikod sa southwest. Green Dragon returns, buong araw po, talikod sa west. Uy, gamitin ko to. And then, if you want to 10x being beautiful and handsome, you're a content maker, a blogger, want to be more beautiful and handsome, you're selling something online, on-site, talikod naman sa north. Hoy, Kuyang Melvin, good evening and safe ride tomorrow, Safe ride. Papalanyag, brethren, safe ride tomorrow. Yan. So, yun po ang ating Green Dragon Returns buong araw, So, no more excuse. Green Dragon Returns, buong araw bukas. Ayan, gagamitin ko to. Ayan Paano gagamitin ang Green Dragon? So, balikan natin. Green Dragon. Ano bang meron dyan? Okay. BFF. Green Dragon. Green Dragon po is the best formation for victory. Career progression and increased profits. Negative situation resolved and relationship flourish. Initiate lawsuits and proactive formation. Outstanding outcomes for taking action. So, Kuya Melvin na backing to West. Ngayon, how will I use a dialogue? Siyempre po, script tayo, script. Kung gagamitin ko, Kuya Norman, yung Green Dragon na sinasabi mo ngayon ay buong araw. Oh, silipin natin. Okay. Backing to West, buong araw, starting 11:01 later to 10:59 the next day. Green Dragon returns. Okay. Ito po ang dialogue. Ayan. So, BFF, bear with me. Nag-update po ako sa iOS 18. Nag-iba po yung ano po, yung salansan po ng mga notes. But anyway, sabi nila, basta po may mga upgrade, it should make our life easier. Parang ito po, our sharing. Kung first timer ka, parang, tekan ba yan? But, you know, yan. And you know the benefits of this, thumbs up ka. Okay, anong gagawin natin? Let's do it. Okay, ito po. Ayan, ang laki po ng kinalabasan. O yan, ito po. Sabi dito, wow, lumalaki po. Kaya talaga po minsan, pag nag-upgrade ka po ng iOS, magugulat ka na lang. Pag pinut mo, lumalaki. Anyway, ito po. Universe, I let go of all that no longer benefits my journey and open myself to become the person needed to fulfill my aspirations. I am deeply thankful for my blessings and am always eager to evolve, learn, and do whatever it takes to achieve my dreams. Hi to Aya Tope! Worshipful sir, good evening. Aya, worshipful, good evening po sa iyo. Tayo po rito. O yan na. Opportunities. Ayan. Aya, BFF. Aya, worshipful sir. Ito po I easily and effortlessly magnetize new opportunities by always attracting supportive community with my persuasive speech, drawing in connections that empower my path. Wow, ayan. Amen. Siyempre, you have to end it po. Ito po yung paggamit ng Green Dragon. And then, yung nabanggit ko pong application ng Green Dragon Returns, isama nyo po doon. Okay? Ang pattern, you let go, you open up, you give thanks, you ask for what you want, and you give back to society. Okay. BFF, let me see. May nagre-request kung meron daw Tagalog. Ayan natin Eto. Weekend naman po. Chill lang tayo Mga BFF. Aya. So ito po, sabi dito, whatever you call your God, your faith. So for the application po pang lahat, universe po ang ating babanggitin but you can call whatever faith you have. Universe, hinahayaan ko ang lahat na hindi na nakikinabang sa aking paglalakbay at binubuksan ang aking sarili na maging taong kailangan para matupad ang aking mga mithiin. Lubos akong nagpapasalamat sa aking mga pagpapala at laging sabik na umunlad, matuto at gawin ang anumang kinakailangan upang makamit ang aking mga pangarap ay madali at walang kahirap-hirap. Kahirap-hirap, sundan nyo po ng, teka po sabi rito, ito bagong pagkakataon. Ayan, siyempre po kanina sabi ko, bagong pagkakataon. Ayan. Bagong pagkakataon. Ayan po. So tingnan po natin yung idudugtong na yung mga bagong pagkakataon. Ito po. After po nun, hanapin natin kung ano po ang magandang idugtong. Okay. Ayan. Para po, ayan po So, yun po, pwede nyo pong Tagalogin. Opo, convert nyo po. You can be in Tagalog po. Ayan. English or any form po. Basta po, ang ating formation is let go, open up, give thanks, ask for what you want, and give it back to society. O yun. So, BFF West backing po for the whole day tayo. Again, BFF, keep safe. ang ulan po is intermittent, biglang uulan, and biglang, kaya po yung ating pong connection, Wi-Fi connection, is already being challenged. Again, BFF, happy Sunday to each and everyone. Don't forget to make a donation tomorrow to the church or temple that you're going. Importante po, Sunday. Sa Sunday po, our obligation. Again, BFF, thank you for the opportunity to being able to share. Let us continuously pray for each other, for our leaders, for world peace. Let us be a blessing to others. God bless us all, and with a grateful heart. God bless you. Bye, BFF. See you tomorrow. Bye.